go. Oh, I need to get some perspective here. Oh, baby.
Yep.
That sketch. Woo! Welcome to the mountains, baby.
Oh yeah.
This guy's stamina's killing me already. No, we're not that bad. If you look really closely, way down there, you can see the dam we're hiking to. Let's see if I can zoom in on the video. So we're going. Care for a snooze? That's awesome.
I do.
That is awesome. You can see all their piles of dead wood to try to prevent fires from coming in. But we're trying to figure out the process of how they figure out what trees to pick out and which ones not to. No clue. And it's snowing! There's the dam. I see it. They did not come out the bottom.